Today on the Project Nomad, we finally get this Land Cruiser back together.
All right, so we got this at least ready to go. Everything's tucked up out of the way. Starter's installed. Alternator's already ready to go. And we got our water pump, our ACs, everything's bracketed back up. Well, let's just pray to God. How does that sound?
Fuck, dude. You know we're gonna fuck with you the entire time.
Hey.
Welcome to this episode of Wander Off Road with Robert Silva.
All right, Rob, I'm gonna have you take the lighter end. All right?
All right.
Why are there primers all over the floor?
Oh, my wife knocked that shit over.
Why is there what?
Primers.
Whoa, oh, dude.
Oh, yeah, no, my wife was in here yesterday, helped me out. She knocked them all over the floor. Stop.
Project Nomad.
Go up right and listen.
All right. Ice is back with the brand new
Edition. Okay. Let's just do... We're gonna go ahead and set this on the table, do some quick preps before we
set it on the table.
Get her.
Project Nomad.
All right.
Okay.
Harness.
All right, let's see.
Robert, that end of the harness.
So what are you doing right now?
I am putting some assembly lube on here.
So it just has some lubrication before it starts turning?
Before we fuck it up, yes.
We noticed that last time.
But it's all right.
Well, considering that he rebuilt his motor once and now he's doing it again.
You know, just think, every time he does it, it just gets
Faster and better?
Faster and better. And did you do the injectors since you had this out?
I had cleaned them up, yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. All right, I think you're good, man.
Almost there. You know, the one thing I realized we gotta put on, too, we gotta grab the EGR and put that bolt-in back on.
Is this gonna be ready for Lytle Creek tonight? Night run?
Fuck, dude, I have an Integra.
Oh shit, you didn't bring your 80?
Not today.
Oh, Robert, you didn't bring your 80.
Dude, this is we're doing an 80s run. We're doing a coming out party.
What he told me was that he wants to run it at least a week on the streets before he gets to the mountains.
I thought
that was the whole.
I thought he was doing a gender reveal at Lytle with this thing today. He's gonna be puffing out, blue smoke out of it.
Actually, that would be so bad, actually, blue smoke. If it was white smoke, I'd be crying.
Yeah. Yeah.
All this work for nothing.
Yeah, you don't want white smoke.
If it's just fire.
Yeah, exactly.
Fire.
Some notes. Pop, 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 pop.
Blah, 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 blah.
God, fast.
Did I ever do this one? Yes.
Yeah, you did. Assembly lube.
Come on. There it goes.
Your magnet's giving up.
The top one or the bottom one? Nope. Alrighty, let me grab the EGR.
You should grab the EGR. It's chilly, man. Aren't you cold?
No,
No?
not yet. Something's supposed to be here.
Oh my god, my wife bought
Wait,
one.
isn't there something supposed to be here?
No.
Yeah, the half moons.
Yeah, there's one here missing.
No.
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 He's got them.
That's where the
Oh, the half
camshafts
moons
go.
are here.
No, I mean like, isn't there
The camshaft.
No, the little ring here?
Nope.
It's not supposed to be here?
Nope. Well, actually, if it was, it probably got taken out at the machine shop. Or, you know where it's at? Probably still on the cap. For the, yeah.
So, do we need to worry about this or not?
I wouldn't worry about it.
Okay. You're
Oh,
right.
you're saying all these?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
Then
at.
I have them, all have them but this one.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, should we be
Good eye.
concerned?
Good eye. You're right.
No.
Good eye, good eye, good eye, good eye.
It comes from a place of concern. Hey, you're right.
Oh, dude, my steering held up very fucking well. I'm so happy about it. I also value trust my steering and my welding now.
What happened now?
No, so my first real test run with actually putting my steering under a lot of stress was sticking out to the snow because being a
Oh, on your car?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
putting it into a lot of awkward situations. It had a lot of tension just putting it to the right, to the left.
Nice.
It didn't split, didn't crack. It did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. So I trust my own welding.
Hell yeah. Did you check this?
No, I did not.
You want to pull the cap off and see? You don't want to jinx
I don't want to jinx it.
it. Okay, don't jinx it.
Problem
Can
for
I
a
pull
different-
one of these out?
Yeah, go for it. Got it, Frank?
No, I didn't want to do it.
All right.
No one jinx it.
There's a little pink in here.
Look at him chasing all the threads. Look at that shit, dude. That's some fucking.
He wants to do it once and try once. That's it.
Oh, dude, I'm on the second timer now, so we're past crying. We're like in bawling.
Baller, like a baller?
No, bawling
Dude,
my eyes out.
this harness is a baller, dude. I almost want you to like, you know, not like get your attention somewhere else so I can just swap it.
Well, we have this in the wrong position for what we have to do, but we'll flip it in a minute. Let's put the chain on at least.
We're gonna use the cherry picker.
Yes.
Is this oh, this is a one ton, dude? This cherry picker's a 1 ton.
It'll work.
Did you say 1 ton?
Yeah, bro.
I did not mention it first today. That's my only saving grace currently. I did not mention it today first. First. I will now mention it because now the gates have opened.
It's been mentioned quite a few times today.
Ooh, what you got there, homie? That's some content you need to film right there.
let me just-
Make sure you put it in right.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for right now.
Oh, look at that. It's like
See?
a glove.
So now we know that's good. We gotta do some quick stuff.
Yeah.
We gotta pick this up and turn him 180 on the table.
Alright, he's coming. I don't think I got
Ready?
this.
You got it?
Hold on. 180 on the table.
Yup.
Alright.
Easy there.
Easy does it. Easy.
Watch the
easy.
harness.
Watch the harness.
The harness that you spent 2 months waiting for.
Fucking Joey.
Hold on. Hanging up.
Don't
here.
worry.
Okay. We got it.
Okay.
Hook it up.
So let me do one thing first. Before we forget, 'cause this would fucking suck.
Don't forget the head gasket.
Of all the things, don't forget this one special thing. Then grab some cutters. Hold on to the damn thing so don't go flying into the motor. Okay.
Yeah.
Done that. All right, guys. So
It's locked in, right?
it's locked in.
Alright.
Hold on.
There you go.
We good?
Good enough. So I'll
You can
trade this for an ARB, and then we sell the other one for another 150 bucks. Does it come up?
Yeah, it's coming up, Robert.
Okay, it's a. Oh, damn it, it's a 14 instead. Oh, it's a 14. These are better.
14 mil?
Yeah. Oh wait, I need the 3/8 ratchet. That was.
3/8.
Alright, we're gonna need these. I'm probably gonna need these to put the new bumper on.
Yes. Yes. Also, those are really tiny recovery points.
This wasn't a recovery point.
What are those?
It was for the brush guard.
There was a brush guard on this?
Yes, I have the brush guard still too.
So it's like $100.
Yeah, I know. Alright.
What I miss? Should we get on each side so it doesn't fall on your head?
No, these things should be wedged in together, so you actually have to pull them off.
But I like Frank's idea of
Yeah, let's not.
Let's not give it a
no
chance.
concussions today, everybody, right? No concussions.
Yeah, we're not trying. Oh, I felt it. Go
That's
down.
that side is out.
For him.
No, Robert needs tons. Just remember where all that stuff goes.
I mean, his ankles will never break on the trail. His steering might, but his ankles will never break.
Yep.
Dude, there's plenty of room to tuck in the winch in here. Robert, you want a snack?
What you got?
I'm going to Frankfurt.
I need a stool to get in there.
Alright. Going up.
Going up.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Silva.
There we go. Hey Rob, you want to grab the step ladder to get in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should get the step ladder. He hasn't paid his homeowner's insurance.
Yeah. I don't feel like paying for a busted ass head.
His deductible is more than his truck's worth.
Hey Rob, watch out.
Yeah, that's a full step there.
Yeah, that's not a step.
Yeah, it's a full
It's
step.
not a recommended step, I'll say.
So you used it? You know what? I think we should adjust the
chain?
you know what? Yeah, let's put it back down and
Alright.
adjust the chain.
Yeah, that's gonna be a
That's
problem.
What the problem is. It's crooked. And I'm not even wearing a few other shirts. Going down.
Alright,
Going down. Going down. Going down. Watch. Oh, watch the snack bag.
Hold on.
The snack bag is important.
Yeah, that's it. Watch the harness.
Hold on.
Who cares about the harness? Just watch the snack bag.
Alright, go ahead, lower it. It's
No,
slipped.
no, it's slipping the entire time that we're pushing it forward.
Put it through the ring. Put it through one of the rings.
I wouldn't necessarily recommend that with
It's not
that.
that heavy. That chain is rated for 10,000 pounds. There it
This
is.
is a Harbor Freight chain. I just want to.
Oh no, then he's right. I didn't know you just talked about
There you go.
Yeah, that's gonna be better. Watch the harness. Watch the
The
snack
harness.
bag.
Watch your snack bag.
Oh, that's better. Look
It's
at that.
nice to be the guy just sitting in the bay.
Don't show me.
Step
The
there.
man behind Yoda Tech.
Yeah, why don't we enter one of these Camrys that you have in stock into the gumball? What is it called? The Gambler
Oh, the
500?
Gambler 500?
Yeah.
Is this a
Oh,
$500
yes.
car?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It'll be fun.
Is it? Are the rules you bought it for under 500 or at 500, or is it the car has to be worth 500?
Buy it for 500.
Oh, dude, my RAM works.
Okay.
No, but it's
In the spirit, it has to be.
yeah, it's gotta be it's gotta be well, hold on.
So let me take that actually at this point. Because I'm gonna need it my size.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, this is better.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that when I get out.
No worries, I'll get-
Whoa.
Whoa, spinning it. Spinning it.
All right, you ready to roll? Watch the snack bag. Watch the table. You're good. Okay, going in. Kick it. There you go. All right, going in. Oh, much better. Much better. Okay, that we're tapped out here.
But
yeah, I think
Hold on.
I think we're good now.
79 series. Are we ready?
Alrighty, ready. Got the wire harness.
The harness on my end is on top of the block, on top of the head now.
Okay.
No, these are Carla. He's gonna go find the other key
Alright, where's Elizabeth?
with her father.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Coming down.
Closing in. Closing in.
Good.
Okay, coming
Go.
down.
Come down.
Watch the chain.
Watch the chain.
I don't know where the chain is.
It's the chain. The
Right on
chain.
top of it.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Hold on.
You're on top of the chain.
Wire.
Up. There we go.
So let's tilt it, Robert, if we can. Okay. Right there. Frank, go ahead and come in.
All right, going down. Push it.
So weird having being much closer to this thing now.
Dude, you never thought you'd get to this point?
Oh, I know it eventually too. I've done this before.
Was it getting scary?
For a while, yeah. Honestly, King of the Hammers was the biggest kick in the chonies for me.
Yeah, it was. Dude, when he came back, he was all fired up about this project.
Yeah, because he didn't have an 80.
Yep, everybody had an 80 but him.
Calling me a sham.
You know,
I still haven't seen your 80 run.
You know what, Robert? Free labor isn't free.
No, it doesn't come with the ball busting either, though.
No, that comes for free.
Exactly. The ball busting is free of charge. We don't charge extra for that. But you need some of these hoses, especially this one off the brake booster.
There it is. Look at the new valve cover gasket.
He's black. That's a good sign. Not blue.
And covered in grease.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's take a photo for the gram. Oh, no, don't worry. I haven't put the half one in yet, so it's coming back out.
So this is as far as we got done today, but I have to get bouncing out and they have to pick something up at the shop. So for now, this will be it. I'm pretty sure I'll bring it back when Robert's finally got this thing running. Hey Rob, it's been a few weeks since we left off on rebuilding your cruiser. How's it been since getting it up and running?
Well, it's been running great. No problems. The only thing I got to worry about now is just some older parts that need to be refreshed, which will be coming soon in the future. We're looking to hopefully get this guy really dialed in. Like I said, this engine, you know, it's a 30-year-old motor, but guess what? She's running strong. Now, my goal for this in the future is to just make her that much better and to make it the best vehicle it can be.
You got any foreseeable mods right now, too?
Foreseeable mods, we're gonna probably re-gear. That's on big one on my list. Probably gonna do some other little small things. Maybe put some gull wings on the rear, some ditch light brackets too. I've been talking to Yoda Tech, and they're gonna hook me up with something that will make this vehicle run and perform that much better. So yeah, stay tuned for some awesome upgrades and some awesome adventures coming your way.
If you guys like our content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Anything helps to grow this channel. And until next time, be safe and tread lightly.